こんばんは。フォーレックス TV ニューヨークのレミです。10月1日水曜日の為替レポート、ニューヨークレビューをお伝えします。1日のアメリカ株式市場は小幅反落しました。ダウ工業株30種平均は前日比19ドル59セント安の1831ドル7セントで終えた。ナスダック総合株価指数は前日比 22.48 ポイント安の2069.40 で終えた。アメリカ市場は米金融安定化の修正法案を控えて推移しました。また大幅反発した翌日とあって利益確定も出ました。ダウは序盤の200ドル超の下げ幅を消しました。ニューヨーク外国為替市場でドルは対ユーロで上昇しました。ユーロドルは一時 1.40 レベルを割れ 1.3974 の安値をつけました。また円は対ユーロポンドドルに反発しました。それではデイリー FX の通貨ストラテジストジェイミー・セットリーさんとのインタビューをご覧ください。
Well, in today's session, the dollar is managing to hold on to earlier gains despite paring back from its earlier events. Now, as we kicked off the New York session, the dollar did surge across the board and euro dollar did break below the 140 level. But before we get into the major currency pairs, let's address what everybody else is focusing on. Now, the U.S. Senate is reintroducing part of the rescue legislation on the bailout plan, and the vote is expected to take place at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So while lawmakers are optimistic that the plan will be passed, what are your expectations, Jamie, and what do you expect to see in the dollar?
I look at everything from a sentiment-based perspective. So, the failure of all these credit problems, it means that basically you're having deflationary forces take over. And what's happening is people are having to exchange everything that's been bought before for dollars. And the dollar's gained substantially over the last few months, and it's not a coincidence that the dollar's at the highest it's been in the year, while the Dow's at the lowest it's been in the year. And Dow's price in dollars, deflation, stronger currency, weaker assets. So, with the Senate probably going to vote on this bailout thing, and everyone thinks that the Senate's going to keep this credit party going. It's been going on since roughly 2000, 2001. Sentiment's probably going to shift towards a negative dollar bias. And that's probably going to take effect for the next probably 3 or 4 weeks. So bigger picture, expect right now probably a bottom forming in the euro. As long as 138.77 remains intact, probably heading back to 145, 146 over the next few weeks.
So Jamie, before we move on to the major currency pairs, then your expectations are that this will be passed today?
Yes, well, probably. I think that they see what the market reaction was, and they don't want to be persecuted any more than they have been, so they probably will vote to pass it. I don't think they'd even bring it to a vote if they couldn't pass it for this time.
Okay, Jamie, well, let's take a closer look at the euro-dollar pair. After the dollar rally yesterday overnight, we did see sideways price action as global equities also recovered overnight. But keeping in mind that we are in uncharted territory, money markets are frozen despite many liquidity injections by central banks. And also, speaking of central banks, we will be getting the ECB rate decision out at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning, and focus will be on Trichet's comments. But how are you factoring the upcoming event risk in the coming hours for your forecast for euro-dollar?
Well, all these events that are going to happen is just going to be a sideshow to the big picture, and everything adds to the big picture. But Trichet, he never really changes his tone. He'll probably just say what everyone already knows, which is there have been some problems in the European banking center and in the entire world. So I don't expect any new knowledge to come out. And he very rarely answers questions in a direct manner anyway. So there's probably not going to be a whole lot directly from that, in my opinion.
以上、ジェイミー・セットリーさんとのインタビューでした。フォーレックス TV ニューヨークのレミがお伝えしました。最新の為替情報についてはフォーレックス TV ジャパンをご覧ください。